Hey there, creative minds. Ever wished writing could be as easy as pie? Well, feast your eyes on Quiltbot.ai, the ultimate game changer in the world of words. Let's unwrap this genius. First up, say goodbye to writer's block. Quiltbot's AI-driven suggestions keep your ideas flowing smoother than silk. Crafting an essay, story, or email, Quiltbot's got your back. Worried about sounding like a robot? Don't be. Quiltbot's paraphrasing tool spins your text into a masterpiece, keeping it fresh and engaging. And, oh, those pesky grammar gremlins? Consider them gone. Quiltbot's grammar checker polishes your prose to perfection. Drowning in information, Quiltbot's summarization feature is your lifeline, distilling lengthy texts into crisp, clear summaries. And for the scholars among us, Quiltbot's citation generator is the cherry on top, making referencing a breeze. But wait, there's more. With a user-friendly interface and customization at your fingertips, Quiltbot.ai is your go-to partner in all things writing. So why wait? Dive into the future of writing now. Check out the link in the description and let Quiltbot.ai unleash your creative potential. https://try.quiltbot.com. Quiltbot.ai, where your words come to play.